Tired of jumping into a car that's either a freezing icebox or a scorching oven? What if I told you that stepping into a perfectly comfortable car every single time wasn't a luxury, but something you could easily have? Well, stick around, because today we're counting down the best remote car starters for 2025 that will completely change your daily drive. All the links for these products are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get this show on the road. Number 6. Universal Car Alarm with App Control. Kicking off our list is the jack of all trades, the Universal Car Alarm Kit. This system tries to do it all. Remote start, keyless entry, and even smartphone app control, all bundled into one affordable package. It's designed to fit almost any car, which is its biggest strength and its biggest weakness. Unlike the brand name systems we'll see later, this one requires a skilled professional for installation. This is not a simple weekend DIY project. When installed correctly, it delivers fantastic value, letting you start your car from your phone or fob. However, it lacks the polished, two-way confirmation you'd get from a premium brand like Compustar, so you're left guessing if your car actually started. It's a great budget choice if you're willing to invest in a quality installation, but for peace of mind, you might want to look at something more streamlined. Number 5. Compustar CS920S1 Way System. Next up, we have the undisputed workhorse, the Compustar CS920SS. If reliability is your number one priority, this is your guy. Compustar is a legend in the industry, and this model shows why. It gives you a rock-solid 1,500-foot range, which is more than enough for starting your car from your home or office. The remotes are durable, the internal hardware is built to last, and installers love working with them because they're just so dependable. Now, this is a one-way system, meaning the remote sends the signal, but you don't get a confirmation message back. It's a small trade-off for its fantastic price and bulletproof performance. It's a massive step up in quality from generic universal kits, and the perfect mid-range option for someone who just wants their remote start to work every single time, no questions asked. Number 4. EASYGUARD EC2 High N Smart Key System. Ready to add some serious modern tech to your car? The EASYGUARD EC2 Hashwise is more than just a remote starter. It's a full-blown convenience upgrade. This kit packs in passive keyless entry, PCA, so your doors unlock automatically as you approach, a push-to-start button to replace your old key ignition, and even a touch password keypad on the windshield in case you lose your fob. For its price, the number of features is just incredible. Compared to the Compustar, it trades some of the brand name reputation for a ton of cool bells and whistles. The catch? Just like our number 6 pick, installation is complex, and best left to a pro. But if you want that new car feel with features like push start and a backup keypad, this kit offers unbelievable bang for your buck. Number 3. MPC Plug-and-Play Kit for Jeep. Calling all Jeep owners, this one's for you. The MPC Remote Starter Kit is designed specifically for Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators from 2018 to 2025. Its best feature? It is almost completely plug-and-play. You use your existing factory key fob, just press the lock button 3 times and your engine roars to life. There are no extra remotes to carry around, and most importantly, no cutting into your vehicle's wiring. This makes it a fantastic choice for DIYers or anyone who wants to keep their Jeep's warranty intact. Compared to our next product, the Start XX, MPC is often praised for having slightly better documentation and US-based tech support, giving you that extra bit of confidence during installation. If you want a seamless, factory-like experience for your Jeep, this is a top-tier choice. Number 2. Start X Plug-and-Play Kit for Jeep. If the MPC kit sounded good, you're going to love this. The Start X Remote Starter is the king of easy installation for Jeep owners. Many users report getting this system installed in as little as 10 minutes. Like the MPC, it's a true plug-and-play system that uses your factory remote. Just hit lock 3 times. It offers the same core function as the MPC kit, but often comes in at a slightly lower price point, making it an insanely popular choice in the Jeep community. It's reliable, straightforward, and delivers on its promise of getting your car warmed up or cooled down with zero hassle. While it lacks the fancy app control of other systems, it absolutely perfects the basics. For a Jeep owner who wants a quick, affordable, and incredibly easy DIY remote start solution, the StartX is nearly impossible to beat. Number 1. EASYGUARD E3 NV1 PKE and Push Start System. And coming in at our number 1 spot is the EASYGUARD EC3 NV1. This system takes all the incredible features from its cousin at number 4 and perfects the package, making it the ultimate all-in-one upgrade for almost any vehicle. You get it all: reliable remote start, passive keyless entry so you never have to fumble for your keys again, a sleek push-to-start button, and the life-saving touch keypad for backup entry. It delivers a full suite of modern luxury features for a fraction of the cost of high-end brands. While it doesn't have the simple plug-and-play install of the Jeep kits, its universal design means it can bring this level of convenience to a much wider range of cars. For the sheer amount of technology and real-world convenience it offers, at its price, it's an absolute game-changer. The final verdict. And the winner is... So, after looking at all these amazing options, which one is the overall winner? While the StartX is the hands-down champion for Jeep owners wanting a quick DIY install, and the Compustar is the top pick for pure unshakable reliability, our overall winner for 2025, based on features, value, and sheer cool factor, has to be the EASYGUARD EC3 NV1. It simply packs an unbelievable amount of modern technology, PKE push start and remote start, into a package that is accessible to almost everyone. As long as you invest in a professional installation, you are getting features that completely transform your relationship with your car. What do you think of our picks? Which one would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. And that's a wrap for today. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect remote starter to make your life a little easier. Don't forget, all the links to every product mentioned are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.